So, sorry for the bad camera angle. So, we're all in quarantine. What do we do? Or, we're bored. We stay at home. What do we do? I know. I get a $90 Lego set and decide to build it for you. Yes, you. I was gonna do a live stream on this on Instagram, but my friggin' I have barely any followers. Go follow me before I strangle you. So, let's open it, shall we? That was really easy. Oh, look at that. A knockoff Indominus Rex that I totally did not get from a mall. I'm gonna figure out the lighting later. Pick that up. So, there we go. So, let us see what is in the components of the box. Well, first off, we gotta say what Lego set it is. Should have done that first. So this young chump right here is set number 75938, T.rex versus Dino-mech battle. It's only 716 pieces, and where I got it from, it was almost like $90. Huh. Alright, it's from the Lego Jurassic World series, ages 8 and up, and I'm 13, but I do not care. So, let us see, what are in the components of said box? We have T.rex, Owen Grady, Clara Deering, Danny Neddermeyer. I think he's supposed to be like, or Nedry. I don't know. He's supposed to be related to, the fat guy from the first Jurassic Park. Vic Hoskins, I cannot speak today. Blue, Charlie, Delta, and Echo. Boat does not float. It should not. Let's look in the back of the box. Before I friggin' keep dropping it. Here are like the components that you basically get in this set. So you get a volcano, a raft, and a Dino-mech and Dino. Alrighty then. So, let us see what is in the box. We have bag 6. There's bag 5. Bag 4. Bag 2. Bag 1. Instruction booklet with stickers. Oh, there goes knockoff Indominus Rex. Nope. Rock piece. T.rex parts. Oh look, there's bag 3. Another rock piece. This one. Big stab. Another rock piece. Oh boy, we got lots of rocks. That is it for the box. I'm not gonna pick that up later. Let's be honest. I'm not. Luckily, the Lego Indominus Rex did not get smothered and stuff. So, excuse me. As most Lego reviewers do, they do a time lapse on this stuff. So, I'm not gonna record everything, but I am gonna do a time lapse for you people. So be grateful before I strangle you. Let us get with the time lapse. So, here are the stickers. And we don't only get one, we get 2 instruction booklets. And one is thicker than the other. Well, then I guess we start with instruction booklet number 1. Alrighty, on to the next bag. And just like that, the mech, or the dinosaur mech, or Dino-mech, whatever the heck it's called, is now complete. Of course, I will do like a, when I'm done with the build, I'll do like a review, and then, yeah, other than that,